Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Efootball 2024 and navigating to Settings account. This gets you straight to the linkage controls. Once there, sign out of any secondary profiles and make sure you have the Apple ID or Google Play credentials ready, because you may need to re-authenticate. You will also turn off auto-login to prevent immediate relinking. This prevents the app from reattaching the same provider. Now tap Linked Accounts to view the current linked provider and prepare for unlinking. You now select Game Center from the linked account list. This is the precise control for Apple linkage. Tap Unlink or Disconnect and read the prompt carefully, because some saves may be tied to that account. Once you confirm, Efootball will ask about backup. Make sure you have cloud or local backup of your progress. If backup exists, proceed with the confirmation. If not, cancel and create a backup, then repeat the unlink action to avoid losing progress. You finish by restarting the app and checking Settings account to confirm Game Center is no longer listed. Once removed, you can either link a different provider or continue without any link. Make sure to re-enable backups on the new provider. If the unlink failed, sign out of Game Center in your device settings, then reopen Efootball and attempt unlink again. If that still fails, reboot the device, check network connection, and contact support with your account ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.